the hinges plastic to insert in seat. Start to install the front seat. Direct embedding. Insert the hinges into the seat gap. Install the bottom seat cover. Install the headrest cover. Steering wheel cover does not deform easily. Easy to install. To put the cover into the back seat head. Side surround design secure with Velcro. Attach the hinges. Insert the hinges into the seat gap. Install the armrest cushion. Install the back bottom seat cover. Compatible with rear row cup holder.